Good morning to all of you. Welcome back to Hospitality Engineering. Today we continue Energy Conservation and Energy Efficiency Module 12. Energy, Part 2. Based on our senior professional experience, we can categorize energy conservation measures as 4 types. Greatest savings at least cost. Small to large savings at reasonable cost. Moderate to long payback periods. High costs and longer payback periods. We will discuss each type with practical experience in upcoming videos. Lighting. Let's see how currently in hotels lighting here. In the reception you get a first impression on the hospitality and style of the hotel, therefore the general lighting of the hall must make the reception point recognizable and intuitively outline access to rooms and common areas. In the corridors, the lighting must be harmonized with the geometry. In fact, it can make it seem more high the ceiling, counteract the tunnel effect, and make the path more dynamic through the use of horizontal cuts of light that modify the perception of length. In the common areas, the lights must integrate with the architecture and furnishings. How long concerns the relaxation area and the massage area. You must know how to illuminate spaces using sources light with a soft beam and a warm tone, in order to allow guests the maximum level of relaxation, given above all by the sensation of feeling completely and at ease. In the room, the lighting must support the various functions that it normally does place the guest, such as reading, watching TV, accessing the internet, relaxing, and so on. The vertical lighting facilitates the recognition of people, and the backlit panels make it easy to recognize the room number. To make this possible, it is optimal to use a single command multifunction easily interpretable, so that he can adjust and get it right light level at all times. We have also seen that the most innovative hotels provide special apps that allow, via smartphone, to open the room and to regulate all electrical services, such as the air conditioning, the intensity and color of the light, the shutters, etc. In the bathroom, mirror lighting plays a very important role, because it offers the ability to identify every detail well. What's shifting in lighting technologies? Lighting plays 15 to 25% of hotels' electricity consumption, because it emits heat, adds to air conditioning load. Progression of energy-efficient lighting technologies are seen here. What is difference between watt and lumens? Energy use in kitchens. Hotel kitchen involves the preparation of food, while the delivery is done by the F&B department. Main function of kitchen is a location for storing, cooking and preparing food, as well as being used increasingly for dining and entertaining. An average 12% energy consumed in hotel kitchens.
Laundry.
Most full-service hotels offer laundry services, which generally include washing, drying, ironing, and hanging or folding your clothes. Many also offer dry cleaning services. An average 22% energy consumed in hotel commercial laundry. In this video, we have demonstrated a way to forward this energy module, and I would like you to stay with me through the rest of this series. Thank you for watching. Like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more training modules. Thank you.